When running a cash desk environment, you are not required to do the standard waiter and admin cash ups to successfully run end of day. You can instead do a point of sale cash up. The POS Cashup will specifically look at the station and any transactions or payments processed on that station. To activate cash desk mode, ensure you select the setting within the admin cash up as seen here. This will need to happen prior to trade starting, as the system will block this as soon as you start closing off your first invoice. Let's jump over to Pilot POS so we can view how to complete a POS Cashup. All transactions that took place on this station, for example floats given, tender received or payouts made, will need to be confirmed through this Cashup to balance your till at the end of your day. To do this, select Manager menu, then Authorize. Select POS Cashup and Authorize. Here you can see the total sales received and any transactions affecting this station. Any discounts made, payouts entered, gift cards or donations to note, total invoices and customer profiles charged including tender confirmed. These tender totals are only applicable to the individual station in question. If you have more than one station, when running POS Cashups, you can select and jump between them by clicking the drop down here and selecting the relevant POS. Let's continue to close off our Cashup. Enter the float amount issued to the station and continue to count your cash and enter the totals under the correct fields. Remember to include your float count within the cash tender entered here. The till cash will then display your total cash value. Enter the total speed points received. Take note that you will still need to check all speed points and make sure the merchant machine total entered here match with what the station is indicating to ensure the cashier has closed off the tax invoices correctly. Subtotal B will tally together all the non-cash turnover. Both till cash and non-cash will be combined to give you your total cash received. Any other transactions will then be confirmed here. Ensure that these totals are correct and manually add any that do not pull through automatically, for example voucher tender received or customer charges. The system will then combine total cash with the remaining transactions and compare the total to turnover sales recorded and indicate whether your till balances or shows a difference. If it's a positive value, you are over, and if negative, you are under. Ideally, you want to balance and show a zero difference. Recount your cash and check your non-cash transactions if you are struggling with differences. Save the cash up when done and print a copy to keep. If you don't save your totals, if choosing to exit, all progress will be lost and you will need to re-enter this cash up from scratch. You can then move forward to print and save your daily reports such as your daily discounts and reports on them as required. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest changes and features.